Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day! Today I will show you what I packed in my Valentine's Day goodie bag for my classmates. First, I will start by making a list of kids in my class. We are 22 in our class. I am planning to give goodie bags to my friends. Each goodie bag contains heart-shaped crayons, a greeting card, pencils and foam stickers, and candy. To make heart-shaped crayons, we need a silicone heart mold and some broken crayons. Place the crayon pieces into each of the heart molds. Make sure to mix up the colors and add some light colors with some dark colors. Place the mold onto a cookie sheet and place it in the oven for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take them out of the oven and let them cool completely. The crayons should pop right out of the molds. There could be chances where people think that the crayon is a piece of candy. So I made a paper arrow with a note that said, "Don't eat, it's a crayon," and sticked the arrow onto the crayon with double-sided tape. Now I'm going to make a simple greeting card. What I used is a pink cardstock, a white paper, scissors, pencil, and a heart-shaped stencil. Take a piece of white paper and cut the edges with a wavy scissor. Trace a heart on a pink cardstock with a stencil and cut it out. Cut the edges of the heart with the wavy scissor and glue it on the white paper. Attach Hershey's heart candy on the pink card with double-sided tape. Decorate the card with heart-shaped stickers. This is how the card looks after when it's done. Now it's time to make the goodie bags. Open up the bag, place in the greeting card, put one lollipop, put in some variety of foam stickers, put a pencil, put the crayon, and last, tie up the bag. This is the goodie bag. I hope you all liked my Valentine's Day goodie bags. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.